Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive into the world of beauty with a keen eye for what truly works. Today, we're talking about the Kiko Milano Smart Fusion Lipstick in shade 457 Light Mauve. This lipstick is designed to be both a beauty essential and a nourishing treatment for your lips. 2-in-1, a true multitasker. If you're in the market for a product that combines the best of both worlds, let's see how this one stands up. Now, Kiko Milano is known for offering a wide range of high-quality, yet affordable beauty products, and this lipstick is no exception. The Smart Fusion lipstick promises to deliver a rich, luminous finish while caring for your lips, thanks to a blend of nourishing ingredients like argan oil and lychee extract. It's said to glide on smoothly without dragging, and I'll be putting that claim to the test. The formula is designed for buildable coverage, so whether you want a sheer wash of color or something bolder, you can customize the look. As for the texture, it promises to feel comfortable and lightweight, something that's especially important when you wear lipstick all day. Let's talk about the actual experience of applying it. From the moment I twisted up the stick, I could tell it was a smooth, creamy formula. It didn't drag or skip, even on my dry lips, which is often a make or break factor for me. The pigment applied evenly, and the color was rich right off the bat. For this review, I'm testing the Light Mauve shade, which is a lovely soft pink with just enough of a cool undertone to make it universally flattering. I didn't find it to be overly bright or too muted, which is always a plus for those of us who are in the middle of the lipstick spectrum. After wearing it for a few hours, the formula did feel lightweight. It didn't dry my lips out, and I appreciated that subtle luminosity it left behind, as it made my lips look more hydrated and plump. But the most surprising part? The nourishing aspect. With ingredients like argan oil and lychee extract, I noticed that my lips felt softer and smoother throughout the day. A plus for anyone who's had issues with lipsticks accentuating dryness or cracking. Now, every product has its strengths and its shortcomings. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the glide is excellent. It applies effortlessly and has a smooth texture that feels comfortable throughout the day. The buildable coverage is also a standout feature, allowing you to adjust the intensity to match your look. Plus, the nourishing ingredients are a huge bonus for those looking to avoid lipsticks that dry out the lips over time. On the flip side, the lipstick isn't as long-lasting as some might hope. After about 4 to 5 hours, I noticed some fading, particularly around the center of my lips. While this isn't a huge deal for a lipstick with such a comfortable, hydrating formula, it's something to keep in mind if you need something more enduring. When it comes to value for money, Kiko Milano generally does a great job of balancing quality with affordability. This Smart Fusion lipstick is no exception. At a reasonable price point, you're getting a high-quality, nourishing product that performs well in both color payoff and comfort. It's not the most long-lasting lipstick out there, but considering the price and the benefits, it offers a pretty solid value. As for comparisons, if you're looking for something similar in terms of finish and feel, there are other brands like L'Oreal and Maybelline that offer lipsticks with hydrating formulas and buildable coverage. However, Kiko Milano stands out for offering this kind of formulation at such a reasonable price. In terms of build quality, the packaging feels solid but not overly fancy. It's not the most luxurious design you'll find, but it's practical, and the twist-up mechanism works smoothly. The lipstick is well constructed, and I didn't have any issues with it breaking or crumbling. In terms of longevity, while the formula doesn't have the longest wear time, it definitely holds up well through moderate talking and drinking, and it's comfortable enough that you'll want to reapply without any irritation. Now, for those wondering about customer support, I've never had any direct issues with Kiko Milano's customer service, but based on their reputation in the beauty industry, they are generally known for being responsive and helpful when it comes to any product-related concerns. As for alternatives, if you're looking for a similar lipstick at a similar price point, the Maybelline Color Sensational Shine Compulsion Lipstick offers a similar glossy finish and is equally moisturizing, although you may find the Kiko Milano option to be a tad more nourishing thanks to its specific ingredients like argan oil. In conclusion, The Kiko Milano Smart Fusion Lipstick is a solid choice if you're looking for a rich, moisturizing lipstick that delivers a luminous finish without compromising comfort. The buildable coverage makes it versatile, and the nourishing ingredients are a huge plus for those who want both beauty and care in one product. If you're someone who doesn't mind reapplying throughout the day and values comfort and hydration, this lipstick is a great pick. It's perfect for those who want a more natural, everyday lip color that still packs a punch. So what do you think? Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. If you've used the Kiko Milano Smart Fusion Lipstick, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.